Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can delete some TikTok videos and then open this video, and in this time I can delete these TikTok videos and then three dot line, delete, and in this time I can choose delete. And in this time I can see I can delete some TikTok videos, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted TikTok videos. So let's see how to do that. And then right top corner three button option, click here, choose and open settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and in this time I can open activity center, and in this one I can see recently deleted. So open recently deleted, and in this here my all deleted TikTok videos, and in this time I can easily recover or restore my deleted TikTok videos. So let's see how to do that. And then open it, restore, choose restore, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted TikTok videos. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.